wonder why I can't fix this. I know it. I need my 10 millimeter. All right, I need my 10 mil. Got my wrench here, my ratchet. Where's my 10 millimeter? I don't see them. Wait a minute. Hey, you come back here with my 10 millimeter. I wonder where he went. Where did he go? I wonder if he's in here. Oh, what are you doing in there, sir? Well, can I help you?
Just taking a big dump. Do you mind?
I thought I seen somebody running.
No, there ain't no 10 millimeter in here. Nope, no 10 millimeter. Nope. Thank you for letting me use the bathroom. No 10 millimeter. No. Yep, there's no. 10 millimeter. Done. I'm gonna bring you over here and I'm gonna show you this lawnmower. I've had this lawnmower, I think, now for about 2 years. It served me pretty well, and I paid $50 for this lawnmower. It's in better shape than it is now. It's just a Husky LT 4200 basic MTD. Whew, stupid bees, hate them things. I'm going to be doing a real makeover on this thing. Not as far as paint goes. I don't really care about paint. I mean, come on, it's a lawnmower. It's supposed to get nasty. But these 2-ply tires that like leaking down on me, these turf savers, I can't hate them. 20 by 8s, dash 8s. So I went with the same size on front. The front tires, they're fine. They hold air. The ones on the rear does not. And I've been having some real problems here lately. The drive belts, that drive belt right there is real bad, dry rotted and cracked. The upper and the lower one is terrible. I'm going to leave a review for all these parts because I got all these parts off eBay. They didn't break my pocket. They wasn't cheap, but they wasn't expensive either. You'll be surprised at the load rating on these tires, what they look like, and I'll even give you the price for what I gave for all of this stuff. But anyway, let's get straight to it. We'll probably do that as our little outro again. Use them as like floaties. Oh yeah. Is it filming right now? Yeah. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we got Brandon's old lawnmower. Don't mind the buzz rocket going by. We got the garage doors open. Anyway, we got Brandon's old Husky LT 4200 here. We're gonna do a little revamp on it today. Got some, show them tires you got there. We got new tires go all the way around. These is the eBay specials. I got them off eBay. All this stuff that you're going to see here today, I got off eBay. We're going to kind of do a little review on about all these parts that I bought, and we're going to go look at the cost of them and see how practical they are from buying them from eBay to like a store like Tractor Supply or Gold Camp. Now these tires, I'm sure,
a little over extraordinary.
Over extraordinary. It says not for highway service on it. So apparently somebody has got these and rode them on the highway at one point in time.
Yeah, by the way, this is a $50 lawnmower.
Yeah, this lawnmower I bought for $50. It has been pretty much the best lawnmower I've had. That's the reason why I kind of want to take a little money and revamp on it a little bit. The tires that I got for the back are from Million Parts. I have no idea what company that is. These right here are Halberd. tires. The load rating on the rear tires is crazy. It's like 1,300 pounds.
Yeah, and this thing only weighs like 300 pounds.
That's it. So it'll hold my fat hind end. It might squat a little bit, but it'll definitely hold it. And surprisingly, the load rating on the front tires are 565 pounds. That's per tire. So I ain't gonna have to worry about hauling a big old load of logs out of the woods with this thing.
Oh yeah.
Also, my drive belts are dry rotted and cracked. So not only was I spinning, half the time my tire would spin when I go around a certain corner of my house, and then half of the time my belts would spin. So I really needed 2 drive belts. The tires, I needed everything.
My dumb stupid self.
Hit a stump out of the house. Not looking, not thinking, just thinking I could mow over some grass that was just sitting there. And I mowed over a stump. And it bent my blades that I had just bought last year. So I had to get a new set of blades too.
Blades.
I didn't get you high. Ain't got no gas in it.
So we'll get to it. I did not pick out, well, I'll just cut it out. I did not, dadgum, it's hard doing this. The right one the first time. I did not cut out any film to make sure that I had the right size the first time. It was the right one. See, they got no star things to ride on. Yeah, I know what it is. It's because grooves is
Where was that even at? It ain't got enough power. Oh. You're just digging over there. So guys, you've seen the renovation of the $50 mower. Now it's like a $350 mower.
I got all my parts off of eBay. The belts were really cheap. I think it was about between $9 to $10 a piece. The blades was about 20 some dollars, like 27, 28.
Yeah.
The tractor tread tires for the rear was 160 and the front ones were 60 bucks. So all in all, I mean, math not exactly right, but all in all, it's between $250 to $300. Probably closer to $250. That's pretty good for a $50 lawnmower. I'd have done better out there if it wasn't for that deck. That deck, I really need to adjust it. It's too close to that pulley, and it was starting to grind against that deck.
You'll see in that video, or if you've seen it in that video, it's sparking.
But as far as like a review, I'm very happy with what I got. I think they're a really good looking tire. As far as putting them on, I'll let Levi explain.
I mean, we got this nice tire changer, but it doesn't do lawnmower tires. Pretty much just use a couple screwdrivers and lube it up really good with some tire lube and just pop the one side on, then you take a screwdriver and kind of pry the rest of them around. It wasn't too bad. The bigger ones were actually harder than the small ones.
Yeah, beat it all. You know, that was crazy.
Usually the small ones are harder, but
you can't really hold them that well. We found out that the big ones, we laid them on the ground and stood on them, and then took the
and took a bar and just pried them around. But
oh, don't forget about the belts.
Oh, the belts! Shoot, we didn't even video that because it was not fun.
No, like
the tensioners were really good tensioners because every time we tried to get a pry bar in there to pull the tensioner back, it would just slip off.
That's how bad my belts was. Cracked, dry rotted. They was already burning. Show them that small one. Where's that small one at?
Right here.
Look how, and it stretched real bad. Like I can sit here and stretch it with it. You shouldn't be able to do that. It should be tight, but look at that. That's crazy. If you're thinking about getting these tires, I would advise you to do it, especially if you lived in an area that has a lot of, high hill and terrain.
Yeah.
The reason why I got them is I got a little spot where I fenced in a little area for my dog. I'll show you how the mower's riding and running whenever I get back home.
Yeah.
There's one place, and with my belts being stretched and burnt and dry rotted and cracked as they are, like every time I go to turn, either my right tire would spin or my belts would be burning up. So, and then there'd be sometimes when I go to put it in gear and go to turn and actually grab, my mower would just keep on going straight even though I had the wheels turned. Yeah. That's the reason why I bought the ones for the front too. But
all in all, I think they're pretty good tires for the money, and probably don't want them if you're trying to keep, the ruts out of your yard.
But if you have a bunch of hills and you ain't worried about tearing up your lawn a little bit here and there, and you live in a mountain filled area.
Yeah, which the grass doesn't grow in some areas that good anyway. So
we have that good old clay dirt anyway, so we can just take some from one area and plop it right on down in another one.
That's right.
We appreciate y'all watching. We're very tired.
Catch us on the next video.
See y'all fellas later. Whew.